5 phrases that make you ugly. I'm so tired. So say women, taking on the excessive burden of physical and moral responsibility. This is your choice. Nobody will praise you for explaining everything by the lack of time. You look ruined with bruises under the eyes. It is most advisable to say with a smile that you want to relax. Take a vacation and take care of your health. I am fat. When asking for a compliment from your husband, do not talk about your excess weight. You yourself feel the increase in weight. Putting on clothes or standing on the scales. Men will not be able to see by eye the increase in your weight by 2 to 3 kilograms. If you really care about your figure, limit yourself to food or go in for sports. Do not focus on your flaws. I have so much wrinkles. Well-groomed wise women will never say that they showed signs of aging. To look great and mask age-related imperfections, you need to purchase high-quality cosmetics. She will help to erase small wrinkles from your face. Pay attention to the wardrobe and hairstyle. Stylish models make women younger and divert attention to themselves. I do not like photography. This can be heard from many insecure women. Why cause bewilderment on the faces of those gathered to capture the party as a keepsake? Your opinion, I look terribly in the photo, this is a subjective opinion. It's not worth thinking about the fact that you are older and worse. Accept yourself as you are at the moment and record memorable dates. There will be something to remember in later life. Looking at photos, everything is awesome. All words and expressions carry a certain charge. Speaking of unpleasant things, you attract negative energy to yourself. Horrible, scary, irreparable events. All that can be changed is the usual minor troubles. If you do not exclude this expression from your dictionary, you can bring yourself to stress. Watch your words and phrases. Rejoice in every sunny day, every pleasant compliment. So you will be in harmony with yourself, and this is the most important thing in life.